see how to prepare Talimpu powder. If we use this powder while frying vegetables, the taste of the fry would be awesome.
The ingredients are dry coconut, salt, roasted chana dal, red chilies, and garlic cloves. In a dry hot pan, first fry the red chilies and then add the dry coconut pieces and fry it for a couple of minutes. Once they are fried, shift into a mixie jar and make it to a powder. Now add the roasted chana dal, some salt, and grind it again. Finally add some garlic cloves and grind it. This powder should be little coarse. The Thalimpu powder is now ready. This powder can be used with any vegetable while frying.
Today I am going to prepare tindora fry. Let's use the powder for frying.
I have cut the tindora into small pieces in round shape. Add some salt to it, some chili powder, little turmeric powder, and mix it well. In a hot pan, add little oil. Once it is heated, add the mustard, cumin seeds, and some garlic cloves. After a couple of minutes, once the garlic is fried, add the sliced tindora and mix it well. Since we have added the salt, chili powder and turmeric powder before, we no need to add anything. We just have to cook it with a closed lid. Keep stirring it in between. Once they are cooked completely, let's add the Thalimpu powder which we prepared. Give it a good mix. After a couple of minutes, we are good to switch off the stove. The tasty tindora fry is now ready.
If you like our video, please do subscribe.